Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with another video, and in today's video I have an install. Today we're featuring April Lace Wigs. Big shout out to April Lace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So I know y'all see it. This is a 6-inch 13x4 lace front wig. She's 180 density. It's a short curly wig. It is 6 inches. So I'm just showing you what the construction of this wig looks like inside. I did bleach the knots and tweeze this hairline prior to the install, so that's what you see here. This wig was super easy to install. I think just about a beginner can install this. So I used one product, which was the Even Lace Spray in the black can. I did that, and then I used an elastic band to melt the lace. I think this lace is a transparent lace, but this lace blended pretty well. I didn't use any lace tint. Once I used the spray and I tied it down, it definitely pushed into the skin and did what it was supposed to do. So those of you that know, I typically do not do short wigs, especially this short, but why am I feeling this? Like, why is this kind of a look? Like, I really like this. When styled correctly, this is such a, like, just a different look. It's very different. I feel like it's very mature. It's very sexy. You're showing a lot of face, bone structure, so it's really cute. I love it. So this is available in different cap sizes. You can get this in a small, medium, or large. I did state that this was a transparent lace, 13x4, 180 density. It is 100% virgin hair, and this is in the natural color. So I will have all the links down below if anybody wants to check out April Lace Wigs. This is the second wig that I received from them. I will put the last video, which was a collab with them. I did a 360 lace wig, which was absolutely gorgeous. So far they are batting 2-0 with the wigs. Love that. Check that out. It'll be at the end of this video. Links to this wig will be in the description box. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all. Let me know what y'all think about the short looks, because I kind of like it. And this is the first one that I've done like this on my channel. I did cut a bob wig into a really short style before, but it still wasn't this short. And I didn't like, this is the first short wig that I received and installed the way it was. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.